If your Lenovo Yoga 7A touchpad suddenly stopped working, don't worry. There are a few quick things you can check that usually fix the problem fast. Start by opening the Start menu and typing Bluetooth and devices. Once that opens, look for the Touchpad section. Depending on your layout, it might show up in the left menu or under Devices, so take a moment to scroll if you don't see it right away. When you find the touchpad settings, make sure the toggle switch is turned on. If it's off, turn it back on and test your touchpad. If it was already on but nothing responds, go ahead and restart your laptop to refresh everything. If the touchpad is still not working, the next step is checking the driver. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Inside that window, look for mice and other pointing devices. Find your touchpad driver in that list, right-click it, and try updating it. A quick update can sometimes bring the touchpad back to life in seconds. Also take a look at your keyboard. Some laptops have a function key that can disable or enable the touchpad without you noticing. Keys like F6 or F8 often have a small touchpad icon on them. Hold the FN key and tap the one with the touchpad symbol to toggle it back on. Try these steps one by one and your touchpad should start working again. If it doesn't, there may be a deeper hardware issue, but most of the time, these simple checks solve it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Yoga 7i back to normal.